Mushamanio wa kajunene ya kiama kia Jubilee uliotafanirio umuthi ugitongorio ni president wa tene Uhuru wa Kenyatta ni ukinyanirie maundu matiganite megie kiama giki, umwe wamo ari ni gucenjia atongoria a ikiro ngurani kiama-ini. Hamwe na mogaruruku maria matafanirio ni kwambatirio ngathi kwa uria urari mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Jeremiah Kioni, riu agituo munini wa mutongoria wa kiama, na ithenya riu riake rikioyo ni uria urari mubunge wa tene wa Narok Moitalel Ole Kenta, guku Zack Kinothia akiamurwo ta munini wa Ole Kenta.
The NEC decided today that Honorable Kioni will now assume the responsibility of deputy party leader, who will focus now more on compliance. He will build our new legal services department. He will coordinate the structures of popularizing Jubilee and enhancing our relationship with other institutions.
But as you take here on Kenta, I wish you well. I have no doubt in my mind that we will do even better. Don't discard those who fought the journey, because you quickly can discard everybody else and come with a new team. That will not help us go further, but make sure that you bring in people who can add value.
So I'm very happy to work with you people, and more so the young people. It's your country, it's your future, and your time is now.
Gituru wake muikariri gitu wake magiki kiria kiranyitirirwo ni Torome Saitoti, riu kioetwo ni Vincent Kimosi. Saitoti nake akiorera gukorwo ari muikariri gitu wa ruhonge rweru ruria rubitwo kiama-ini niguo guteithiriria gucokaniria mbeca kuma kuri anyiti itemi, nakio gituru wake mwandiki wake mabũrũri-inĩ gikiheo Yasin Nur, nake Dan Mwangi akiamurwo gukorwo ari murugamiriri munene, guku nake kiambi gituru ari we gukorwo ari murugamiriri wa ithurano kiama-ini kiu.
During this coming general election, we need an experienced hand to lead our engagement with communities, community leaders, social, political groups, and so on. And we need a face that is associated with the party. That is how that decision was arrived at, to have a Honorable Kioni lead that team.
Odo afato muthi yuma ku make sure kiama ya tuika na strengthen in terms of otongoria niwe ru kiambia guthi mashinani kwaranĩria na andu a Jubilee, na of course ona ku invite andu angi maingire Jubilee, so that as tugithie ithurano cia next year tukorwo twirire ta kiama
tondu ni mweyoneire Jubilee igithondeka matura ni tuoka kumithondeka ringi, tunyite ibaru ni twamwita ringi kiama-ini, ukai welcome back to the party, muke muyandikithie.
Akianira mogaruruku maya muhuraniri wa president na kiama giki Fred Matiang'i ni areganite na uhoro wa ati itua riri riumanite na miario iria yaririo ni president Uhuru ari kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mwaka muthiru, kuria arutire mukana wa kung'ethanira na atongoria aria maragarara mitaratara ya kiama.
I don't think the changes and the reorganization and the revitalizing of the party has got to do with any misconduct or any performance-related issue. We are strengthening ourselves. In fact, our Secretary General is moving to newer, more demanding, expansive responsibilities.
Kirima yes no ginya tutuike strengthen fiwe no tugithi kundu guothe tondu Jubilee ni kiama kia bururi ti kiama gia kirima peke yake, koguo gutiri harute guthii kirima-ini na ginya matura maria mothe me bururi-ini witu.
Hamwe na uguo Matiang'i ni ateneirie muhuhu uria uratamba wati kiama giki kia gukorwo na mubango wa kurutithania wira na thirikari thutha wa mbica iria cikoretwo cikinyaga nenda-ini cia President William Ruto mari na muru wa nyina na Uhuru Mohoho Kenyatta.
This is the kind of idiocy that irritates me, because you see, you are all educated people. Everybody knows that the Honorable Mheshimiwa Mohoho Kenyatta represents the Duke of Edinburgh in the presidential award scheme. He has been in those award schemes in Uganda, in West Africa, in many others before. So going to this one, how does it make a difference? And then it becomes a basis of your political gossip.
Riu tondu niko raheanagwo iheo ira ni presidential awards, na president uria wikuo ni uraheanaga iheo icio ri Duke of Edinburgh, representative wa Kenya ari Mohoho wa Kenyatta arari na kihoto gia guthie as part of those things.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.
Najua the way highlights that.